The first riverside we installed a fish farm is Lonto. Lonto in the Pandai district. Now, the second one we installed was Kpani, which is a Chakpani district. It is a border town between Ghana and Togo. And today, we just installed another pond at Sikakope, which is also around Togo line, and it is in Volta region. Just yesterday, I received a call from a brother from Yeji, which is also another riverside where they fish, and he also needs farm to be set up there. All this baffled me. It baffled me because I asked myself, why should I be the supplier of fish to the owners of fish? Because we all know that these fishermen at the riverside, they fish the fish. In other words, they do fishing for us. Until recently, they're evaluating the fish farming to complement what they are doing. And now them themselves are installing fish farms at the riverside, using that same water to produce their fish. As curious as I was, I didn't only just leave it to myself. I've inquired, I have conversation with them, and the thing that revealed to me why they're installing these farms at the riverside is shocking, which I'll tell you in a moment. And before I tell you within few seconds, if you are new to this channel, my name is Abdulaziz Issa. I have a bachelor degree in development education. I'm a fish farmer. I've installed several farms for others, and I have been teaching people both online and offline on how to grow their fish. And this channel is purposely for that. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do so. And if you want to learn, if you need free course to learn everything about fish farming from beginning to harvest, check out our free course in the description. The video is a lengthy one, over 4 hours, where will teach you from everything that you need to know. The link in the description, click on it and you watch it in this same channel. Let's proceed. After having interaction with them, they all have, or all the reasons that I've given boil down to one thing, and that is the fish that they are harvesting in the rivers is no more enough for them. When I first visited Lotto, I asked them, why do you install fish farm close to the river, using that same river when you are fishing? And what they told me is that the constant harvesting or fishing of the fish in the river is the fish are getting extinction. There are times that there are days that you come to the river, you do all your hours, and at the end of the day, you don't get anything, or you just get few. There are times, though there are times that they get enough. And for that matter, if they don't have a sustainable way of getting fish, it will get to a time they can't get fish anymore. And that was the answer. And this answer runs through almost all those that we have installed for them. Now, something shocking even revealed to me. As a layman, I always thought that those fishing, they don't incur any cost in fishing. Oh, they just go to a river, enter their boat, cast their nets, harvest their fish, boom, they are gone. But when one of them called me, the guy from Yeji, and he told me that he invests a lot of money into the fishing, only for him to just get small or not even at all. And he runs at loss. And he thought that he could start fish farming. I was like, wow, why? Because in the fish farming industry, we feed them, we use RAS, and we incur costs. I thought yours is different. And he said, oh, they also spend a lot to do the fishing. And now the fish is not more there, it's not more enough, let me put it that way, and they are still spending to get them. So he has acquired big plot of land, that's what he told me, and he wants to put a lot of fish ponds there where he can have fish all the time. Now, this is not what they revealed to me. What I'm going to add is my personal observation. And also in the counter, as we are in here now, Ghana, the illegal mining activities, popularly called galamsey, is also making the natural fish very difficult to acquire. For instance, I last watched a documentary recently where river bodies have been turned to mud because of the illegal or the galamsey activities. And if you compare the water before the galamsey and the water now, you will realize that in the documentary, the water before it was good, the fish and all aquatic animals They were living there normally and everything was okay. But the moment the galamsey started and the water turned to something you cannot even imagine, the fish began to gasp for oxygen and they were dying to an extent that even crocodiles in the water, they were dying. They were all suffocating. And that's the situation that we found ourselves. So now, if this continues, it means that it will get to a time we can't get water or we can't get fish in our water bodies. And we thank God the government of the day is very up doing to fight this. We pray and we support him and we hope that we are able to fight the galamsey, that we can have our aquatic animals living peaceful in the water, which we can still use them for our own benefits. And we also appeal to those doing galamsey. We know that that's their livelihood, but at least they should have a way of doing it legally, not polluting our water bodies, and then in future we can have greener and better Ghana, and not only applicable to Ghana, all other parts of the world. Now, let's proceed to our reason that they are installing. I've given you why. The fish is depleting. They are going extinction. They are no more getting the fish they used to get. Now they want sustainable ways. But another question is, why will they invite Faako Aquaponics, I mean our organization, to come all the way from Tamale to these places? And for some of them, like we are here now, it took us more than 24 hours to get to where we are. That's the Volta region, Sikakope. Look, it took us over 24 hours. When we went to Lonto, it was also a toughest journey. Pani in the Chalpani region was also toughest journey. Why didn't they just get someone closer, supply them with the tarpaulin pond, boom, and they are gone? The reason is that because we have the unique system, and this is the RAS. Look, despite they are close to the river bodies, but the water that they acquire, like the farm that we just installed, if they had the tarpaulin, they stopped earlier, the fish died. We are going to revive it for them. And this is the special tool that's going to help them. And we just install, just getting water came to fed the water from the river to this pond, even though the river is closer, they spend over 300 Ghana cedis. Now, assuming that they are supposed to do this every week or even twice a week to change the water, at the end of the harvest, how much would they get? But this secret tool is going to help a lot, and that's the game changer. And they know what it can do for them. Now, after installing this, the water will not constantly be changed again. They are going to reserve a lot of time and energy cleaning the water and the cost that goes in there. And that is why they invite us all the way to come here to install this for us. What are you waiting for? Invite us. We come. If you have your farm already, good. We install your RAS for you. If you don't have the farm and you want complete setup, we can come set up for you. We give you the pond, the flotation system, the fingerlings or the juveniles or the jumbo, whatever that we will pay for, and then scooping that bag of it. All these will give you together. What you just have to do is to prepare your land or your ground ready and your electricity and your source of water. We come and install it for you within a day or within 24 hours. We are done and we will go. Contact us or contact details on the screen and watch it. And like I told you earlier, if you don't know much about fish farming and you want to learn everything from step by step, how to begin, how to plan, water management, everything you need to know, what type of pond to start with, how to manage the farm, how to feed them properly, how to do sorting, everything that you never even heard of. We have a free course, completely free on this channel. Just click on the end screen and watch that free course, and then we see you in that video. Bye bye. Thank you very much.